Hi connoisseurs, it's been a while since we've been here, so welcome back. Today I'm making for you a really delicious dish. It's a spicy one, of course. It's originated in India and it's a big street food dish. It's called chicken 65. The deep red colour in this dish comes from the sheer amount of chili powder that goes into it. So it's definitely not for the faint of heart. It's so delicious, so spicy, full of spices, full of aromatics, and so Moorish. If this sounds like your cup of tea, then keep watching and let me show you how it's done. So you want to start off by getting yourself some delightful chicken and giving it a good wash and placing it in a bowl. I got myself half chicken breast and half chicken thighs because I find thighs slightly too chewy for me. Once the chicken's in the bowl, let's get the marinade on the way. So start with some salt, garlic, ginger, bay leaves and curry leaves that have been slightly roasted, chili powder, cumin and the coriander powder, garam masala, the chillies, the black pepper, your yoghurt. I used about 4 tablespoons, you can use a little bit more if you want. I then added the lemon juice and give it a really good mix. So you might see from my mixing method, I squeeze and mix. So squeezing just tenderizes that chicken and gets the flavour right into that chicken. Once the marinade has been put onto the chicken, you can let that marinade for a minimum of 20-30 minutes or 24 hours for the best results. Once you've let it marinate, you then put oil on it, followed by the flour. Flour is going to really bind that marinade together and allow it to create a really crisp exterior when you fry it. For an even crispier result, you can put the chicken back into the fridge before frying. You then want to fry your chicken in really hot oil at roughly 180 degrees. Just keep checking with a food temperature gauge to make sure that the interior of the chicken is fully cooked. Just look how good that looks, and we're only halfway into the recipe. Don't start eating them yet because the good bit's coming. Whilst you let that chicken drain on a paper towel, let's start making the sauce for this. Get your wok really hot, place some oil in there, followed by some curry leaves, followed by a load of ginger, and a touch of white and black pepper, and a bit of salt. You then want to give that a good mix and allow that to get nice and grilled. Just as the garlic starts browning, you can smell that really strong aroma. Throw in your spring onions, give it a quick toss. Don't let the spring onions cook too much, and then add your chicken immediately. At this point you want to start moving quickly, add your sriracha, followed by your soy sauce. Give this all a really good toss to get all that sauce coated over the chicken. Just looking super delicious and really well glazed. Just look how good that actually looks. Now to top off the flavour for your chicken 65, you want to give a real good dusting of Chaat Masala. It's going to give this super spicy dish just some real edge and some real tang. It just makes any dish so good. I then plated up my chicken 65 on a really nice sleek looking glass plate. Then decided to give this chicken a little bit of a squeeze of lemon because you can never go wrong with lemon. Now just look how good that looks. You need to give this one a go. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again on another recipe.